Nice! Hindi talaga siya fully covered. Hindi tayo masyadong ma-covered.
Hello! Welcome to my channel. So let's begin.
Be careful not to put inside your mouth, nose.
I love you, Mommy.
120 rupees.
It's just like jelly.
Yeah. Ito yung pinunta ni Sis Arceline dito. Ang dami ko ng supply. Masayang-masaya na kami. Nice. Now we can stay even during daytime.
This side it is completely protected. Front maybe morning some night.
Yeah. It's nice sunlight for the plants. This side, there's a gap here because during winter they want that at least sunlight will come so you can feel warm because during winter it will be very cold. That's why hindi talaga siya fully covered. Merong gap for the sunlight. At least dito na area meron ng shed. So the kids can play, the adults can stay here and do some tea time. Our next plan is to make plant stand, huh?
Yeah.
So these plants will be organized. And there's another thing here. Can you see that hook? There. The plan is to have a swing for the kids. Mommy's idea to put a swing for the kids. Mommy has replanted a lot of money plants. Pero meron pa dito eh. Bagong lipat din niya. So pag lumaki na to, may kukunin na naman ako. Fitness journey na tayo. We're going to the gym now. But first, kailangan natin mag-ayos ng ating outfit papuntang gym. So because it's hot outside, mag-jacket kami para hindi tayo masyadong mangitim. And then, I have learned this from Honey. Whenever she's going out, she's covering her face. So, I'm also doing the same thing. Yung ihip ng hangin, guys, mainit na. So, para hindi nga tayo mangitim. Para hindi tayo masyadong ma-covered looking dito. Sapat na. Ganun. So, ganito yung itsura ko papunta and pabalik from the gym. Ang kidnapper, di ba?
Hello! Welcome to my channel. Today I have this sticker from Kuya and he just bought this one for my
Tita and Tito.
Tita and Tito just bought this. I know I like some African cloth, that's why they bought this for me. So I just buy this, but in magically there's some more small pieces. So they just buy this for me. It's like jewelry. I always ask my parents to buy this one for me, but some smaller pieces is there. So let's begin.
Let's begin. Show them what's inside the box.
So I have dog and some glitters.
Okay, first we have to put the sticker on your jewelry box.
I'd like to make my own jewelry like my mom is because she has some jewelry in his face and some hair. And there's some nice sticker sets.
So again, thank you to Ate Nida and Kuya Raj for
And
the presents. And we have to put this at the center. Oops. Wow. Okay, next we have to organize.
I'd like to open
Yeah,
this.
you have to open. You have to follow this menu. Like this. We need to organize like this.
Now the purple pieces goes.
Can I help you?
Now,
Wow.
now pink pieces.
These pieces here.
Yeah.
Or here.
Nothing.
Here. See? Pink pieces here.
Okay.
Next.
Blue.
Yellow. Yellow and blue.
I like this one with blue pieces.
Okay. I'll help you.
Timmy, I want to do it.
Okay.
These blue pieces goes nice.
Other side, love. Hole should be like this. You have to organize this all time, okay?
Okay.
Or it will be messy here.
Can it? I need to do the big pieces, okay? Now there's
How
more.
small?
It goes there. Is this correct?
Yes.
So we need the 3 pieces to there.
Is there another yellow?
This one will do.
Next.
Can you help me?
Be careful not to put inside your mouth, nose, eyes, ears, okay? And here's the brush. Okay,
I
now
have a heart.
let's start. Where is
I
that?
love you, mommy.
Aww.
It's a heart.
You want to make necklace?
No, I want green.
Ring, okay. Now, which color do you want? Pink, yellow, or blue?
Blue.
Okay. Other side.
No, I want yellow.
Lilo. She wants lilo. And then you can cover it and you can wear that. Careful, see, your gems will go. Okay, done. Close it. Good job. One. Oh.
If you were a mountain, then I'd be the sun. I'd keep you warm the whole day long. Tuck you in when nighttime comes. I'll always be with you, my love. If
Like exchange gifts sila.
So thank you for the
Thank you.
She got another coloring book from the cousin. Ito yung bigay sa kanya, so many books. But this will be finished in a month.
She can finish.
She can finish everything.
Okay. Keep it.
We got lychee, pero here in India they call this lychee. Arunji bought this yesterday. 120 rupees for 1.5 kilos, ano?
Can I eat
Lychee
it?
season na ngayon.
Can I eat it?
Ang mura lang, guys. Yeah, you can. But it's very sweet. It's very sweet.
It can be like jelly.
Yeah, it is jelly. It's lychee jelly.
Missy, a cow.
They're going to their dance class.
That's cool. That sword's not there.
The sir is not there yet.
And the teacher.
And the teacher.
For 5 minutes, that teacher and the sword is coming.
Okay, 5 minutes. Then come inside.
No,
Come
Missy
here.
is coming.
My neighbor is coming here this evening. Alas 6 ng gabi yung plano niya pumunta dito. So now, it's 5:45 and I just finished doing my work. So we'll just quickly prepare pasta for snacks para sa ating mga bisita. My visitors. Hello. Are my neighbors. And say hi.
Hello.
Hi! Pasalubong from Sis Arceline. Buksan natin. This is the pasta that Daddy has cooked. Actually, I have overcooked the pasta. So this is how it looks. Sis Arceline brought some pastry. Ang dami pa ng dala niya. Right, Riyansh? Left-handed siya. Mish ka ganun din. Both left and right she's using. Parang big boy naka-backpack. Anong laman nito?
Ano tubig?
Ang cute. Bagay na bagay sa size niya. Bye, Riyansh. Are you going school? Bye! Girl, thank you so much sa pasalubong, ha? Bye, Riyansh! Nakaalis na yung aming mga bisita, guys. Ito yung pinunta ni Sis Arceline dito kasi meron siyang pasalubong from the Philippines. Ararating lang niya from her vacation sa Pilipinas. And ang dami niyang dala. Ang dami niyang pasalubong. Ang dami ko ng supply. Soy sauce. Suka. Crispy fry. Oyster sauce. Meron na akong oyster sauce. Matagal na akong hindi nakakagamit ng oyster sauce. All-purpose marinade. This I can use for barbecue. Mamasitas. Meron din siyang dalang star margarine. Do you know when we were kids, we only have like rice or we don't have any bayan. We just put star margarine on our rice. And then we'll just sprinkle some salt. It will be very yummy. Let Daddy put na. Can you help? Later.
Can you put me, Papa?
Okay. Next is ginataang gulay. First time kong makakagamit nito. Ginataang gulay. Tapos ang dami niyang pancit canton. As in, ang dami. Thank you so much, Sis Arceline.
Papa!
Spicy seafood. Sinigang mix. Thank you so much talaga. Ang dami nito actually. Ang dami. Sis Arceline, thank you so much. Thank you for your thoughtfulness. Ang dami. Right? I'm so happy na meron na akong bagong stock ng soy sauce kasi paubos na yung aking soy sauce. And ito, wala na ako. Matagal na akong walang suka from Philippines. Bumibili ako dito yung synthetic vinegar pero iba pa rin yung lasa ng ating suka sa Pilipinas ng Silver Swan. Yung alam mo, pwede mo siyang higupin. Dito kasi parang napipil mo, parang synthetic talaga siya. Thank you so much. I'm segregating my box. Ito yung lagayan ko ng aking mga Filipino product. Kasi meron ako dito yung mga this year na kailangan kong maubos kasi yung expiration niya is this year. So, ito yung ilalagay ko sa taas. Tapos, itong mga bago kong stock, sa baba ko siya ilalagay. Yung bigay sa akin ni Sis Arceline, 2029 pa siya. So, matagal pa yung kanyang expiration. So, sa baba yan siya ilagay. Para alam ko kung ano yung kailangan kong unahin na maubos. Pag sa Pilipinas ka, na nag-grocery ka ng mga ganito, suka, soy sauce, normal lang siya kapag nag-grocery ka sa Pilipinas. Pero para sa amin, na mga Filipino, especially dito sa amin sa India, sobrang thankful talaga kami or sobrang masayang-masaya na kami kapag may nagdadala sa amin ng mga sinigang mix or magic sarap or soy sauce. Masaya na kami doon. And this time, yung binigay sa akin yung Sis Arceline, sobrang madami siya, guys. Hindi ko ini-expect na ganito karami yung kanyang ibibigay. Sobrang happy ko na madami na naman laman yung aking lagayan.
Please like our channel, subscribe.